we present a technique for generating flight summaries conforming to cinematographic principles. Due to the huge spread of drones and the upcoming introduction of vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, there is a pressing need for tools to preview flights. In particular, it seems crucial to be able to generate time-limited videos that can summarize flights. This requires to address two main challenges: summarize a trip within a limited duration, and compute a camera animation that can convey this summarized trip. The few existing approaches use a nonlinear time acceleration in order to focus more on interesting parts of the trip, while other parts are overviewed very briefly. The main drawback is that they still devote time to boring parts. As well, watching flights in accelerated time might also make the viewer sick. To avoid these issues, in this paper we instead propose to convey interesting parts of the flight only, with no speed up, and to introduce time ellipses to prune less interesting parts of the flight. With this in mind, we split our general problem into two separate optimization steps. In the first step, we will generate a best summary of a prescribed duration by selecting relevant trip parts. And in the second step, we will optimize the parameters of all cameras to best convey this summary under film editing constraints. Our general problem is then formulated as iterating between solving the first step and solving the second step, where each step will output what the other step will take as input. In our first step, we take as input a 3D flight trajectory from takeoff to landing, as well as an initial camera animation. From this input, we evaluate the interest of each part of the trip using a set of geometric criteria. This will say how much each part is interesting for the viewer. As well, we compute a viewpoint score from a set of visual composition rules from cinematography, which will say how well each part is conveyed. We combine both scores into a global interest score. We use this global score to rank many candidate shots generated along the trip. And finally, we cast our best summary problem as an abstract problem with conflict graph. As output, we generate a list of selected shots, i.e. time intervals, which we can feed to our camera animation step. In this camera animation step, we take as input the list of selected shots and time ellipses which are in between shots. We model our camera animation as a set of spline curves which are controlled through keyframes. We then optimize these keyframes to improve the viewpoint quality, the camera motions, and the cuts between shots. To account for the relative importance of each cinematic constraint, we cast this optimization as an inverse kinematics with priority levels. The output of this stage is a new camera animation conforming to cinematographic principles, which we can now feed to the first step. As a result, we interleave these two optimization steps until convergence, at which we can finally output a flight summary video with time ellipses and conforming to cinematographic principles. Overall, our approach is the first that can address video summarizing, camera planning, and film editing at once. Here are a set of comparisons of our technique with alternative methods. We first compare to our main concurrent Tripsynopsis proposed by Wang and al. In 2016. As you can see, videos generated by our technique seem more natural with linear time and film editing compared to accelerated time flights. Tripsynopsis also seem to devote too much time on some areas of the flight, where views are very redundant over time. In contrast, our technique enables to get a proper coverage of the whole flight while we prune boring parts of the flight. Finally, with our method, we properly convey the landing and takeoff, while with trip synopsis, they may be briefly viewed in the video. We also compare our technique with a summary computed with a naive knapsack solution. As you can see, it provides no guarantee that the takeoff and landing are included in the video, while at the same time, they offer no control on the cutting rhythm in the video. Some shots may be too short and some may be too long. In contrast, our technique enables to properly convey the takeoff and landing, while we provide a good control on the cutting rhythm through a range of shot durations. Finally, for the same flight and the same video duration, our technique enables to generate flight preview videos with different cutting rhythm, either a fast cutting rhythm or a slow cutting rhythm. For a slow cutting rhythm, the video will spend more time on the most prominent part of the trip, while with a fast cutting rhythm, we will spend less time, but for more interesting part of the trip, and it will seem more dynamic.